A very big hello to all the students of class ninth. Today we bring to you part 5 of our class ninth biology series on the chapter of fundamental unit of life. आज की इस प्रेजेंटेशन में हम एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम और गोल्जी एपरेटस के ऊपर डिस्कशन करेंगे. सेक्शन वाइज ईच पार्ट का एग्जामिनेशन होगा और उसकी यूटिलाइजेशन भी देखी जाएगी इन डिफरेंट सेलुलर प्रोसेसेस. By the end of today's presentation, students would have gained knowledge about these parts and they would have obtained tips on answer preparation so that if they attempt questions related to these topics in examination, then they produce better results. Students, last time when we were discussing about nucleus, then we came across a cell organelle that was found attached to the double membrane structure of nucleus. That cell organelle was endoplasmic reticulum. For better understanding of the students, we have marked the position of endoplasmic reticulum attached to the membrane of nucleus inside the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum can be of two types, rough and smooth. रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम को जनरली न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन से अटैच्ड पाया जाता है. वो रफ इसलिए होते हैं बिकॉज उनके सरफेस पे राइबोसोम्स अटैच्ड होते हैं. थिंक ऑफ अ मोज़ैक फ्लोर और थिंक अबाउट अ फीस्ट आइसक्रीम. The way chocolate chips make the surface of the ice cream rough, or the way the small colored pebbles and stones make the mosaic floor rough, in the same way ribosomes are attached and embedded on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, making it rough. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum generally साइटोप्लाज्म में फ्री स्टेट में पाया जाता है. फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव मैग्नीफाइड द अटैच्ड portion of nucleus and endoplasmic reticulum in a very simpler diagram which students can easily understand, and this diagram can also be used in examinations to obtain marks. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम के बहुत सारे फंक्शंस होते हैं जिसमें से मेन फंक्शंस हैं प्रोटीन प्रोडक्शन, स्टोरेज ऑफ कैल्शियम, प्रोवाइडिंग मैकेनिकल इंट्रासेलुलर सपोर्ट एंड हेल्पिंग इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंट्रासेलुलर सपोर्टिव स्ट्रक्चर्स. The next point of discussion of the cell organelle that we are going to pick up today is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus सेल में परफॉर्म होने वाले डिफरेंट फंक्शंस में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल निभाता है. बी इट डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन, बी इट पैकेजिंग, प्रोसेसिंग एंड ट्रांसफर ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस और मेम्ब्रेन बायोजेनेसिस. ऑल दीज इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस आर परफॉर्म्ड बाय Golgi apparatus. स्टूडेंट्स अच्छे से Golgi apparatus का स्ट्रक्चर समझ पाएँ, इसके लिए हमने सेल के स्ट्रक्चर में Golgi apparatus की पोजीशन को मार्क कर दिया है. एंड फॉर बेटरमेंट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड अ वेरी सिंपल मैग्नीफाइड diagram of Golgi apparatus that can be used in examination sheets as well. Golgi apparatus has number of vesicles being formed from the cisternae or the stacked parts of it. These vesicles are used for packaging and processing functions. Golgi apparatus is one of the most important parts of a cell since it produces suicidal bags, that is lysosomes, in case a cell is affected or is not able to metabolically perform all the functions at par. After a pinpointed, answer oriented, and knowledgeable discussion over two organelles of the cell, we arrive at the Q and A section, that is the Yaksh Prashna section for today's presentation. Question number 1 asks about justification of the position of rough endoplasmic reticulum attached to the membrane of nucleus. Question number 2 asks about the utility or benefit of the function of Golgi apparatus in detoxification process or managing the metabolites of the cell. Question number 3 inquires about the specific terminology used for the process of vesicle formation by Golgi apparatus. And question number 4, the most intriguing one, asks the students that why they think that there is a difference in the size of stacked appearance, that is cisternae, from the trans phase to the cis phase of Golgi apparatus. By the end of today's discussion, we hope that students would have obtained few knowledgeable inputs that they can use during their examination purpose for better results. We have been regularly receiving some positive inputs from all our viewers. It is requested that please keep on following our channel. Do subscribe our channel for regular updates and keep sending us some valuable inputs via our email address so that we can include much better ways for students who are preparing for the examination. Do keep following us on all our social media handles so that people get regular updates about whatever facilities we are going to bring up for students at our educational institute, and also what all topics in future we are going to put up on this platform. Thank you.